Doing a YouTube live. Hey everyone, all good? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to do a live stream on YouTube. I'll demonstrate the whole process on a computer or laptop. If you like these types of videos, we have more related content. Subscribe, and I'll keep making videos to help you guys out. So, let's get started. Doing a live on YouTube is very easy. Once logged into your YouTube studio, click on the icon at the top to go live. Click here and you'll see two options: schedule a stream for later or go live now. I'll click here to start. You'll get two options: use your integrated webcam or streaming software. The easiest option is definitely your integrated webcam on your laptop. It's already connected, no setup needed. It's simpler, so I'll click Go here. Here's where you'll put the title of your live stream, folks. I've already added the title, put live, and some emojis. You can find these emojis by searching live emoji on Google. I might have typed it wrong, but search live emoji and choose emojis to copy and paste. So, I've done mine here. I've added the title and the description. In this stream, I'll answer questions about how YouTube works. Here's where you choose the category for your live broadcast. It'll be from my webcam. Scrolling down, you can select a playlist. I'll create a new playlist called Live. I've just created the playlist and I'll click Next below. Here you can choose how you want YouTube to place ads. You'll have the option for mid-roll ads. YouTube will determine the best ad formats, or you can choose the mid-roll ads that'll appear. I'll set it up here, folks. It's recommended to let YouTube insert ads, and here you can choose from 3 frequencies: conservative, balanced, or aggressive. Aggressive offers higher earnings, but interrupts viewers often. Balanced gives average gains and experience. Conservative has fewer interruptions, but less earning potential. I'll choose balanced. I'll click Next. You can enable or disable live chat and live chat replay. If you have questions, just hover over the question mark for an explanation. Here below is the mode for participants. So anyone can send messages, only subscribers, only members, or approved users for live comments. If you want to do a live only with channel members, select members only. For subscribers only, activate subscribers only. You can choose these options and set minimum subscription time. You set a minimum time of 5 minutes, written as 1, 10, or 20 minutes. You can input it here. I'll leave it open so anyone can participate. You can enable live reactions here if you want message delay. How long participants must wait between sending messages. You can also activate chat restriction mode. This mode lets you control the comment posting by setting a time limit. Each person can see their message, but must wait 60 seconds to send another. You can set the time here. You can also set up a redirect. For example, when the live ends, you can set up a premiere if you want. Below, there's a trailer option. You can add up to a 15-second video to appear before your live stream. I'll click Next now. I won't be using these options. Here you can choose visibility, create this live stream, and share it privately, selecting who you want to participate. You can set it as unlisted, members only, or public. or you can schedule a live broadcast. The live thumbnail will appear here. You can redo it or upload a new one made in Canva. Here's the title, category, schedule, privacy, it's private, and monetization is on. It's crucial to check if your webcam and microphone are enabled and working. Then just click Go Live at the bottom. Below, you can share your screen, browser tab, or window with your audience. We're live now, 27 seconds in, no viewers as it's private, and 0 likes. Got it? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care, God bless, and thanks.